Hey guys, today we're gonna restore a Matchbox Mazda RX 500 from 7 to 1. Let's drill it. This one only has one rivet, so we have less job here. So it pops right away. So the second job is build a nice place for the screw. We have to open some teeth for it. So I'm not gonna use those wheels, neither that plastic, so I'm removing both of it. Removing paint is easy, just spray over the body. I always use these spray cans because it's less messy than applying with a brush, and I don't need to store a large bottle of just paint remover. Job's already done. So to have a nice paint, we have to get rid of old paint residue. I made most of it off camera. It's a long process. Um, I didn't want to bore you with that. So still I'm just grinding some old residue. Bottom part also need attention. So here I'm removing some of the casting problems. Looks better already, but we need to grind it with some grinding paper. So this was the toughest job on this build. First, I used 400 grit sandpaper, then 600. During sanding, I realized the dots on the glass isn't just dents, they are all bubbles stuck inside the glass. Nothing I can do about it. And last, 1000 grit. So this footage only lasts couple of seconds, but it took 45 minutes to get the job done. It turned out okay, but not perfect because of those bubbles. Here I'm polishing the body. It results a nice quality paint job. It's almost mirror finish, but I don't want to spend too much time on it because it's gonna be a dark color. You can see the difference here. Since I love my cars looking close to real ones, so it's unacceptable to have chrome interior for me. So I'm using dental floss here. It removes chrome paint without harming the plastic. It took almost 1 hour to remove all the chrome material. I know brake fluid makes a better job and removes it in minutes, but dental floss is easy to find and I don't need that much of a speed actually. Hot Wheels donor car, which I'm only gonna use for the wheels. I'm measuring here and looking if it's gonna look okay. Disassembling it. Test fit with the car. It's not fitting. So I have to modify it. First I'm gonna make a room for the axles, then grind the body to make more room. Still it didn't fit. I don't have more material to grind, so I have to make something with the wheels. So I'm slimming it here. Then grinding for the final shape. Taking off some material. After this, I'm gonna sand it with sandpaper. I'm using hobby primer because its nozzle is small. It lays the paint thinner. Here I'm painting it with paintbrush to a dull gray. It makes it look like a leather. I chose purple for the car. Here I'm painting the body. I know I hold the gun too close to the model, but it's on the lowest level, so it won't hurt the paint, and it's easy to access to deep areas. I always use automotive clear coat. It's better than any clear coat. It's really resistant to all conditions. Giving clear coat to the car, I have to be really slow at this moment because the clear coat can eat the paint if I apply too much. Here is this second clear coat. It's the last coat I'm gonna apply because this car has a opening hood or trunk, and the paint looks amazing, but I have to polish it. I'm using Tamiya fine compound. I'm gonna apply it with a soft sponge. After a while it looks like this. I have to clean the residue. Here I'm giving the last touches to the engine. I painted it with silver marker. Now let's assemble it. The wheels fitment was really pain in the ass for me, so I wouldn't want to spend too much time, and I hot glued the rest of it. It's gonna hold good, but it's not looking good, I know it. But it will do the job. Testing the wheels, it looks alright. Here we are, end of another build. Generally, I'm really satisfied with the results. I know the glass doesn't look good, but like I said before, it's impossible to fix it in another way. Thanks for the watching. See you on the next build, guys. Bye bye.